Hello children, welcome to Rai Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium video series. Children, as usual through this online platform, we are going to be learn for his geography for 6th standard lesson temperature video series number 11. Children, in the last video we have seen an experiment where we have taken two pots with water, which among of them one kept inside of the house and other one outside of the house, and we have observed which pot of water get heated fast. So children, we normally think that air gets heated due to the sun's rays, and because of the hot air the land and water get heated. But in reality, what happened? See, first land and water get heated due to the sun rays. The layer of air close to the surface gets heated. The heat gets transferred vertically to the adjacent upper layers of the air. Hence, air closer to the surface is hotter, and as one moves higher up from the surface, the temperature of the air decreases. So children, the temperature near the sea level is higher and it decreases in the mountainous region. Next point, we shall going to be learn continentality. Actually children, difference in the heating and cooling of land and water. The air over the land gets heated faster and also becomes cooler rapidly. The air over the water gets heated slowly and also loses the heat in a slow manner. In the coastal areas as compared to continental areas, the temperature of air is lower during the day and warmer at night. Contrary to this, the temperature of air in the continental areas is higher during daytime and lower at night. So this leads to the sharp difference in the day and night temperature. The difference in the maximum and minimum temperature of a day is called diurnal range of temperature, whereas the differences in the maximum and minimum temperature of a year is called annual range of temperature. Because of the heating of sea water, water vapor gets mixed into the air. This water vapor holds the heat in the air. As a result, the air in the coastal areas remains moist and warm. Conditions in the continental area are opposite. As water vapor is absent, the air remains dry. This leads to sharp difference in the day and night temperature. So, children, in short, the difference in the day and night temperature is less in the coastal areas and more in continental areas. So, in this way we have studied this concept, coastal areas and the continental areas. Ocean currents. See children, ocean currents is that ocean currents, children, not only create due to the its movements and both upward and horizontal water vapor, but also due to the other factors such like differences, density and winds. For this, we are going to be see in detail with this one an experiment. For this, you have to take that A pot with water is placed on a burner. Draw 4 to expands on heating. Right, children? And the hot water from the base moves upward. With it, the buttons too are pushed to the surface. The relatively cooler water in the upper portions moves downwards, taking the buttons with it. This happens repeatedly. In other words, on heating, an upward current sets in the water, and so in the water due to temperature difference upward and both downward horizontal currents develop in the ocean. Besides temperatures differences, factors like winds and difference in density of water also give rise to horizontal currents. These ocean currents flow from the equator to the polar region and from the polar region to the equator. When an ocean current flows from the frigid to the torrid zone, it reduces the temperature of the coast in the torrid zone. When a current flows from the torrid to the frigid zone, it increases the temperature of a coast in the frigid zone. See children, this is you have get more or advanced knowledge for with this planktons, which is one of the microorganism favorable for the growth of planktons. Planktons are the food for fishes. Fish from other areas travel towards these areas in large numbers. They breed in warm waters. Due to high concentration of fish population, fishes thrive well or develop well in these areas. In the map of ocean currents given, locate such regions. And so this is one more advanced informations for you all children. Plankton is one of the microorganism, and for it the warm and cold currents converge where this situation or the position of the temperature are favorable for the growth of them. In this way children, today we have studied some important points from this lesson, temperature. In the next video, we will be made with the new points. Till then, do study and revise all these concepts very accurately. Thank you.